before showing you how to publish a journey, let's go on with the definition. A journey on MySkillCamp is a training program which consists of different modules or activities. So it's easy to understand that a journey is a more complex program. A module is just one training, about 25 minutes. A journey is a training program with different modules. Here on the screen, you have an example of a journey. It's in French, but there is no problem to understand it. This is a journey for an integration, an onboarding a new colleague. What's very interesting to understand before going on is when you create a journey, you have to have created the module which will compose your journey before. So in other words, before building a journey, you have to build the different modules in the My Modules tabs. Then when your modules are ready, you can go on the My Journey tab and click on Create a Journey to fill in the information and then to add the different modules to compose your journey. It's very important to understand as well, the second basics is to find the module in the list. You have to create at least one session. So there are two basics for the journey. First of all, you have to have created the modules before. And second one, for each of the module, you have to create a session. This way, you can build your journey. So as you can see here, there are different modules already on the screen. But if I want to add a new module, it's very easy. I click on Add a Module, and then you can choose your module. And in this list, you will see the module only if there is at least one session created. If I want to add the What's Digital Learning, I just click Choose the Module, and then I click on this one. And then you will see that it will be the last step of my training program, of my journey. Between each module or activity, you can add transition. You can add a fixed date, or you can add a day number. Let's review an example. For example, here, I can decide that my journey starts on the 1st of October 2020. So I click here on Edit. This means that my learner will have access to the journey on the 1st of October. Then, between my first module and my second one, I can add another transition. If I want, I can, for example, add 8. It means that between the first and the second module, there will be 1 week. And it means also that my learner won't have access to the second module before this date. So it's very important to understand that when creating a journey, you can add transition with dates. This is impossible actually for a module. So this is maybe one of the most important things is that when creating a journey, you can add date and transition. If you want to cancel this date, you just click on delete. Very, very easy. Another pro of this use is you can add just an activity. If you want to add an activity in your journey, you just click on activity and you can directly access the media or the content page. This can make your training program very engaging for your customers and for your learners. So to publish a journey, it's exactly the same way than to publish a module. You just have to click on Publish a Journey, and then you have the flow. You will choose the camp, and then you will choose the method. It's exactly the same. So 2 basics, I prefer to repeat it. Before building a journey, you have to create the different modules which will compose your journey. And the second basic is that you have to create at least 1 session for each module. You know all about the basics to create a journey.